Hello Cykanikers! Welcome, or if you're new here, be a part of this family by subscribing and clicking that notification button. Welcome to y'all. Sorry for the noise. Today, I'm going to answer the questions that you posted on Instagram and Facebook. So I posted there. I'm planning to do a Q&A. If you have time, just shoot your comments down below. So some of you have questions for me, and thank you so much for that. This will be a Q&A video and a shoutout video. I'm going to place all their links in the description box so that you can also go to their channel and subscribe to them. So the first question is from Justine Powell. So he said, what is it that scares you as a YouTuber? The number one that scares me is that I wanted to have an authenticity on all my videos, but I'm also scared of people, maybe my subscribers don't like my content. If you dislike my content, you can just comment that you don't like it, or you can make a video request if you like, right? The second question is from John Earl. So his question is, if you are given a chance to collab with a famous Filipino YouTuber, who will be your top three and why? Ang hirap. I have a lot of favorite YouTubers dito sa Philippines. Number one, Ana Victorina is really one of my inspirations, why I started my YouTube channel. Number two is Riza Contawi. Riza Contawi is such a good makeup artist, and she shares a lot of beauty tips and tricks. Say Tioko. So Say Tioko, Ana Victorina and Say Tioko talaga yung gusto ko. Then na-add si Miss Riza Contawi because I love their ways. Maybe if I'm going to add one, it will be Anne Klutz. Yes, Miss Anne. I love Miss Anne as well. So the second question will be from Miss Anne. So Miss Anne asked, who is your favorite foreign YouTuber and why? I have a lot of foreign YouTuber, and I'm going to categorize them. For the makeup side, I really love Glam and Gore. I love all her works. Maddie Look and Patrick Star. They're my top three foreign YouTuber that I really like. And if I'm going to add one, Miss Fame for drag makeup look. Maddie Look is more on body painting, and Glam and Gore is more on Glam and Gore. She does a lot of FX videos. I'm sweating because it's very hot in our place. We don't have air conditioning. If I'm going to name them one by one, ang dami talaga, super many. Next question from Carl Gonzaga, is it YouTube or mainstream? Personally, don't know the answer to this question, but I love to do YouTube. Is mainstream a live streaming on YouTube? I'm planning to do a live stream though, but not as it's very noisy here. Sorry, comment down below if you know what is a mainstream. Is it a live streaming? Sorry, I'm ignorant to that. Next question is from Zen. The question is, kung meron kang gustong baguhin sa mga Facebook group na naka-join ka, in terms of gawing ba ng mga members, ano yun at bakit? So far, I am joined in a lot of groups, Facebook groups, but I'm not really active when it comes to participating on their. I participate in their activities, but I do not really interact with them because sometimes I feel out of the lane because some of them are too young for me, so I can't really ride on their ideas if they're talking to. But there's a certain group that I'm in right now wherein I love them, I interact with them. First time that I interact with them, I can feel where they are and they can feel me as a person. I love the group's terms and conditions. For some group, they just put the group on there and then walang pakialam. So I don't like that one. I hope that the admins will do something to make it more active. And I hope that no favoritism. I know that they can't cater all the members, but hopefully they can make some rules that everyone is being dealt accordingly or can feel in a special way. So that's the only thing. But I love the group that I'm in right now. They're very active. It's super organized. It's not highlighter. It's super hot summer. So next question is from Beauty Mayhem. So Beauty Mayhem asked, how to be you po? How to be me? Parang kalog-kalog lang. Thank you for that question, but I don't know how to answer that one because I'm a person who is ewan. She has a request, ibalik ang shout out or whatever. So yes, I'm doing the shout out video right now while I'm I'm reading your questions. So, by the way, Beauty Mayhem has an ongoing giveaway, so you can check the link here or in the description box. I have another question from Elfie Rain. So Elfie Rain asked, what motivates you in making more videos? I don't want to be plastic, but in a real note, in reality, expectations versus reality. My expectations, I wanted to create more content for my viewers so that they can relate, and right now I'm gauging what type of content that I would really love to do. I love vlogging, making beauty tutorials, and a lot of things. I love covers, dance covers, some covers, I don't know. There's a lot of category that I want to go to, but here in the YouTube world, you need to have a specific niche, but I don't want to go into that single lane niche. So that's why I'm uploading videos and I'm gauging what are the contents that my audience love. But so far, I don't know what they love because they just comment, wow, I love your videos. That's it. On the other note, on the YouTube side, I uploaded videos constantly right now, and I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, just because lately, sad to say, my YouTube channel has no ads right now. My videos are demonetized because of the 4,000 watch hour minutes metrics. So I wanted to rebut, gain more views as well. This is my passion. Making videos is my passion, but on the other side, I have also this deep thoughts that if I'm doing this for fun, why not earning something as well from it, even though it's a little. But the main reason is I want to be consistent and I want to challenge myself. If I'm not challenging myself, then my YouTube channel will be gone forever. Sorry, Elfie Rain, I'm not in a Miss Universe makeup right now because I'm going outside and we're going to go to some place with my family, so I'm in a hurry and I wanted to film this one, so that's why. Forgive me. But I'm going to film a beauty makeup next in this video. Okay, next question is from Queen TV. Her question is, when did you start YouTubing at this time? So I started YouTubing my account was created 2012, but I did not start on that year. I started maybe uploading videos 2015, but I'm getting serious on uploading videos 2016. I uploaded videos in 2015 because of Beauty Bound Asia, and then randomly I wanted to put up some videos which are helpful to women like me or people who are searching affordable tips and tricks, just recommending to people that there are more cheaper and easiest way on things, especially on makeup side. So another question from CJ Tolete. Thank you so much. What motivates you to do YouTube videos? Talaga families and friends are excluded. So they're really excluded because I made these YouTube videos for the first reason. Yes, it's true that I'm super depressed at that moment and I wanted to divert that depression into something productive. So that's why I made up this. I make a lot of videos to distract me from things, from thinking bad things, because before I'm a career person, I work hard, like super hard, and when I stop from the corporate world, it seems that my world just shut down and I'm isolated in the four corners of our house. Me sitting down with my kids. I'm not saying that I don't love my kids. I love my kids, but the fact that I'm just at home doing nothing. Of course, I'm doing household work, but it really depresses me. I think that I'm really alone and I don't have any person to talk to. So I'm super isolated that time. So I decided, why not put on some ideas on the internet that I can help those people out there as well. Yes, to have fun, to play with makeup. The thing that I'm making videos helps me a lot on my depression side, to be honest. Be creative, be productive, make use of your time. That's it. Next is from Miss Liza Danielle. What makes you happy on a weekdays? So right now, I'm totally adjusting that I'm at home because I'm working online, teaching online, and then going on events, attending on my kids, taking care of my kids, and sending them to school, and hopefully I will be a good mother and a good wife. Yes, I'm busy and happy that I'm with them. So events and makeup gigs as well. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question from Jukes. Okay, kahit sobrang competition sa pagmi-makeup, sa tingin mo, ang pinagkaiba mo sa kanila? And sino ang naging inspiration mong YouTuber para gawin yan? Yes, I know that beauty world has a lot of competitions, a lot of makeup, looks, and you have a lot of competitions na mas magaling sa'yo, na maraming followers kasi sa'yo, but I'm not really focused on it. As what I mentioned earlier, that I wanted to create something to be more productive, and whatever inspires me, I really wanted to make it into a reality through my videos. I'm not equipped enough, so I don't have the good lens, the proper lighting and all, so but I just wanted to be productive and put it in there. I don't care for the competition at all, to be honest. And who inspires me? So people who are creative, people who are really an artist, not just making videos for the sake of views. No, YouTubers who really inspires me because of their creativity. I already mentioned Glam and Gore, Maddie, Luke, Patrick Star, yes, Miss Fame in the beauty world. Casey Neistat is the vlogger that I really love because though he's vlogging, but he's very creative in another way by presenting his ideas, and I love his video clips. A lot of people, there's a lot of YouTubers that I watch. Next question is from Mika. So Mika said, if ever mag-boom career mo as a YouTuber, are you willing to give up your work at maging full-time YouTuber? If ever, if God's willing na mag-boom yung YouTuber career ko, hopefully I can upload more videos. And no, right now I don't have a full-time job because I quit my full-time job and I'm right home right now. I'm teaching online, doing makeup gigs, attending events, and YouTubing. Next question is from Queen TV. When did you start YouTubing, ate? So I think I already, but thank you for the question, Queen TV. I already answered that. I think I made the YouTube channel 2012, but I did not upload any videos at all. I started uploading videos 2015 for Beauty Bound Asia, and then I constantly upload videos mids of 2016. Yes, my YouTube videos is very old. It's slowly growing, but it's okay. I'm learning one by one. If you're going to go back to my old videos, you can really see the videos na yaks, but then nakakahiya. But then it's you. You're learning and growing along the way. Mahina lang yung grow ko kasi konti lang yung subscribers ko. But hopefully, if you're new here and you enjoy this video, I hope you enjoyed. You're going to subscribe. Next question is from whatever Trisha. So do you have a bashers? I do have. I remember one of my videos, which is the Flores de Mayo video. One hater commented, you know, you look like a Bisayang katulong. So Bisayang katulong is a maid katulong, a servant. I agree with her. I'm a Bisaya and I'm a katulong, so English servant. So I'm a servant. Okay, I'm a servant of God. I'm a servant to my family and everything. So it's still true, but I think she meant it in another way, but I did not mind her. But I think she's the one who's giving thumbs down on my videos. Ang nag-iisa parating nagda-thumbs down. Next, maybe this is the final question from Angela Pinay. She said, bakit ka pala nag-YouTube? So again, I already answered this, but thank you for your question. Nag-YouTube ako because I started from diverting my depression into something productive. Putting something that I know on YouTube that people can also see it and be inspired as well. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe and be a part of this family. Please check their links in the comment section box. Some of them are YouTubers, so you can follow them. They're an awesome person. They're not fake, you know. Okay, thank you so much and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Sorry pala ang init and ingay. Bye-bye.